and welcome back to our channel. If you like garlic and you like butter, you're gonna love this recipe. We're cooking garlic and butter chicken thighs. So come on and let's turn around here and heat up this iron skillet. Get you a pan and let's get started. Okay, for this garlic chicken, we're gonna start by adding garlic powder. I'm going to use this hand to flip my chicken and this hand to put my seasoning on with. And these right here are chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now we're going to add onion powder. And I'm adding a little bit more onion powder than the garlic powder because plus we're going to add minced garlic too. Black pepper and paprika, and this is smoked paprika. This is what gives it its good flavor. Salt. Okay, now I'm going to use this hand and flip my chicken. Salt on this side. Paprika. Garlic powder. Onion powder. A little bit more black pepper. Now I'm going to go wash my hands so I don't contaminate nothing with this chicken. And then we're going to get it over to the iron skillet. Got them all in there. We're going to cook it on this side for about 6 to 7 minutes and then flip it and cook the other side. And we're going to make sure we get a good grill to it with a pretty color. And we're going to make sure the temperature is 165 for chicken. Okay, now we're going to give it a flip. Woo, look how pretty and golden brown that is. And now we're going to cook that a pretty brown to the other side. Okay, now that we got our chicken done, I'm going to take it out and place it over here in this little dish and set it to the side. I'm going to cut down my heat some. I'm going to add a half a stick of salted butter. And we're going to let that start melting down, and where I've turned the heat down just a little bit, it'll start getting all those bits and pieces off from that chicken. And to that I'm going to add about a tablespoon of parsley. And about the same amount of oregano. And then to that I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of garlic. Minced garlic. You can use whichever kind you want, but we're using minced today. And you know the rule to garlic. There's no measurement to garlic. It's ever how much you like. So we like it, so I'm going to add about another half. And then we're going to give all that a mix. Woo, it's smelling good in here. And I only cook that for just a few minutes. Just long enough to brown that, turn that butter into brown butter. And if you hadn't ever had butter, we're gonna let it brown just a little bit in an iron skillet. Ooh, you don't know what you're missing, y'all. Now we're going to add our chicken back in. And all the juices from the chicken. And then we're going to let that simmer in that garlic with parsley and oregano and butter. And let that simmer for about 10 minutes. Okay, y'all, it's been simmering for around 10 minutes. I'm going to serve it up in a plate and let y'all see what it looks like. But you want to use that sauce that it's cooking in, because that's your garlic and butter sauce. Don't get rid of that. Drizzle some over the top. And if you love garlic, that'll be the best garlic chicken you've ever had. Okay, this is what our garlic and butter chicken turned out to look like. And we're having it with a side of broccoli and cheese. And I believe that's going to pair good with the garlic and the butter and the chicken. So I hope y'all like this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and tell a friend. And like always, y'all, food and family, a family that eats together, stays together. Till next time, thanks for watching.